Hello guys and welcome to another video from Time of Business. I'm George and today I'm going to show you how to add products on Etsy. So I'm going to show you how to list a new product on Etsy, everything that you need to do and to take into consideration so that you are going to rank higher on Etsy. I'm also going to show you how an optimized title looks like and also how we are going to take that title and break it down into keywords and include them into your 13 tags. So if that sounds interesting guys, make sure to stick until the end of the video, subscribe to this YouTube channel if you want to grow on Etsy, and without any further ado, let's jump on our computer. So guys, we just jumped on our computer. Today I'm going to show you a custom wedding portrait from a photo. So this is going to be the product that we are going to sell today, so to supposedly sell. This product is from Hello M, so this is a very nice and big Etsy store. They are from the United States. As you can see, 65,000 sales. They have very nice products, so if you are interested in custom illustration from your photography, make sure to check them out because they have an amazing store. So let's suppose that we would like to sell something similar to them. First, you want to go to your Etsy store and you want to click on create a listing. So we are going to create a new product. Now here, the first thing that you are going to be asked is whether you want to sell a physical item or a digital item. I'm going to make a separate video for digital files, so for digital products. So if you are interested in this type of products as well, make sure to check them out. So to check the other video as well. Now the first few things that you are going to be asked are very important for your product. Let's say you made the product. You are going to click here, I made it. Maybe someone from your shop or maybe another company or person. For example, if you sell vintage clothing, items, jewelry, watches, you can click on here, another company or person. I'm going to click now on I did because I'm going to make those illustrations myself. Now, what is this? A finished product or a supply or tool to make things? Usually you are going to sell finished products, so 99% of the Etsy sellers sell a finished product. But for those of you that sell craft supplies, you are going to tick the second box. So I'm going to go with a finished product. Now here, when was this made? So when was the product made? I'm going to go with made to order because these products are going to only be made after an order has been placed on the Etsy store. But you can also go with other dates. If you are going to sell products made before 2005, they are going to be vintage. I'm going to go once again with made to order and I'm going to click on continue. If you have production partners, you are going to select them here, going to click on continue, and this is the beginning of the Etsy page that you have when you are going to start to list a new product. So first let's go and select a photo. I'm going to select only one photo, so my custom wedding portrait from a custom photo, so from photo. And usually what you want to do is to fill in with all 10 photos, and also if it is possible, also upload a video. As you can see right here, they also have a video. So this is a reason why this store is very successful, because as you can see right here, they are featuring someone that just received their custom illustration, so their custom watercolor illustration from photos. So this is a real customer that received this and agreed to being featured on this Etsy store. So that is something really cool. You can also do this with a bunch of friends. It doesn't need to be 100% real in the beginning if you want to only showcase your product. So if you want to be successful on Etsy, you need to upload 10 pictures, and here you also have the option to upload a video. Now, maybe some of the most important thing is the title, tags, and product description. Usually most of Etsy sellers, so beginners, usually write very basic titles and tags. So for example, someone is going to write here portrait from photo, custom photography from your wedding day, be happy, and so on. Something that is being descriptive, maybe too descriptive as a seller and not thinking as a buyer. When you write your titles and tags on Etsy, you need to have in mind the end consumer, so the buyer. You have to think like a buyer. What would a buyer type in Etsy in order to find my product? That is the most important question that you want to start asking yourself if you want to improve your SEO. So this is going to be the title that I opted for, and I'm also going to explain it a little. So we have personalized wedding, couple, portrait, art, because I want to have a bunch of keywords. I'm targeting the wedding, portrait, so the wedding occasion, wedding couple, couple portrait, portrait art. So all of these are also going to be our keywords. Now I'm going, besides personalized, I can also select custom, because this is a custom, a made to order product, wedding illustration, maybe watercolor, portrait from photo. As you can see here, maybe I could have opted for portrait from photo in the beginning, because the beginning, the first few keywords in your title are going to be the most important. So if you want to target portrait from photo, you are going to include it in the first 5 keywords that you have in your title. Then I have custom anniversary wedding gift for couple. As you can see here, I have gift, wedding gift, anniversary gift, and gift for a couple, because I am targeting a couple. So this is how you should think your titles and tags. And from this title, I'm also going to generate the keywords. So I'm going to move forward. Now here we have the product description. When it comes to product descriptions, you need to be as informative as possible. So in the beginning, as you can see right here, you are going to write a very nice description, a short description about what the product is. Some people even include the title once again, or at least the most important part of the title. So let's say personalized wedding couple, custom portrait from photo. That would be maybe my main one. And then you are going to also explain. For example, this is made to order, so we need to explain to our customers the exact process that this is going to be. Now this is a physical item, so as you can see, you can select the paper, maybe you also want canvas, white wooden frame, so you have a lot of options, and that is why they are saying how it works. And you have all those steps, then print options, digital options, so all the options that you have in order to print. So you can go with the best, which is frame print, then you have wrapped canvas, paper print, and only the digital file. So as you can see, this Etsy store also sells only the digital file, but the product was listed as a finished product because they are going to actually work on the product and then only send the digital file if the buyer opts for the digital file only. Now something very important is that you can also include the most frequently asked questions, and also the shipping, last minute gift, and your shop information here, also your social media accounts. You need to think that when people are going on Etsy, they think that maybe they are buying from Etsy. And that is why it is very important to explain everything to the potential customers, to your customers, that you are an individual store, so you are a business, a small business, you have a social media account so that they can check you out, maybe they can click on your store, maybe find the other products that you have. So you should definitely learn from this seller. This is a great example of a professional store, of everything done right. So you have all the pictures, you have a video, you also have the fonts, for example, and also here you have a product description that explains everything. So I'm going to go past this product description because you can definitely go and check this store out or the top Etsy sellers in order to find great product descriptions. Now here we have the personalization. So you need to collect personalized information for this listing, and I need to collect, for example, instructions to your buyers. You need to maybe ask them to send you the photo, to send it via Etsy, via email. Maybe you only need the text because you want to make a custom mug or a custom product that only has writing. So you need to be here as descriptive as possible in what you are going to request from your customer. Then you are going to have price and inventory. So here I would suggest, when it comes to pricing, to also include your shipping. So I'm going to opt with free shipping on all of my products, for example, and I'm going to include the shipping cost in this price. If you have different prices for different variations, you are going to choose the variations. So you need to choose a category first and then to choose the variations. Then you have the quantity. How many products are you going to sell of these? I'm going to put here 1,000, or let's say the maximum is 999. Always use this SKU in case you sell physical products from a large inventory. Let's say you have hundreds or thousands of vintage items and you store them in storage boxes, and each box needs to be named. So here I'm going to say box A1. In case you don't have any idea what category your product should be sold in, you can always go to your competitors and you can browse at the bottom of the page what category they have used. So here they have gifts for the couple. So I'm going to click on add category. I'm going to search for gifts for the couple. I'm going to go and look that up. So as you can see, weddings, gifts and mementos, and gifts for couple. So I'm going to select the exact one as they did. Now as you can see, I have the option for variations. So I'm going to click on variation. I'm going to create my own variation because I'm going to ask for sizes or what kind of print they want, type of print. Now I'm going to go with the options A4, then I'm going to click on add, then I have A3, then I'm going to have canvas, then I'm going to have frame. I'm going to click on add and I am done. I have the first variation, the type of print. Now maybe your prices vary, so that will most likely do. So I can hit apply, and now I'm going to include prices for each one. So for A4 I'm going to have 100, here I'm going to have 115, 150, let's say, and 200. So as you can see, I have different prices for all the variations when it comes to sizing. Now guys, if you enjoyed this type of content, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our YouTube channel because we have a bunch of YouTube videos about Etsy, how to grow on Etsy, how to improve your Etsy store, your Etsy listings, also how to open a Shopify store if you want to expand, if you want to have your own website. So make sure to subscribe, and also check out our website timeofbusiness.com because we have a bunch of blog posts about Etsy, how to grow on Etsy, and also we have a free guide on how to start a successful business on Etsy. So make sure to grab that out as well. So as you can see now, we have the quantity, the SKU, so where this presumably is stored in, and now we have those variations only by one type with different prices. And then as you can see, I sell physical items. In case you want to change that, if you made a mistake, you are going to click here. Here I have the category. Once again, you can look at your competitors and you can get ideas. Now I'm going to select the main colors if you have those. If not, you can choose maybe the most common ones. Then you are going to say the occasion. For me, I'm going to go with wedding because that is what I want to target. Choose the holiday. I'm going to go with New Year's Eve. Maybe people want to also use this as a gift for New Year's Eve. Then I have the theme. Here you need to make sure that all those attributes are as close as possible to your product. So here I'm not going to choose military. Maybe I'm going to choose fairy tale and princess, but never choose something that is not related to your product. Now you have to take into consideration that these attributes will help you just as much as keywords, because for example, I did not include the colors in my title and tags, and that is why maybe here I can include that. Maybe the occasion wasn't included, the holiday, the wedding theme. So this is very important because you can actually add more keywords and you can be indexed for more things if you complete your attributes. So always go through them and make sure to be as accurate as possible. And now guys, I'm going to show you how I generated my keywords. So from the title that I have right here, I went and decided with personalized right here, and then I took photo because this is something that I want to rank for. Then personalized and art. Then I also have wedding couple gift. So here I have wedding couple, then I have gift right here, or gift for couple. I can include both of them. I have wedding couple and art. I can also opt for couple portrait, wedding and portrait. Then I have custom wedding photo, custom wedding portrait, wedding illustration. So as you can see, this is how I make my keywords. Gift for couple, anniversary and gift, wedding gift. So this is how you should think about your keywords. Then also custom and illustration. So custom illustration. Your tags should be made of, let's say, 2 or 3 keywords that can be found within your title, and if you can put them in the same order that they are mentioned within your title, that would be perfect. So as you can see, I have included all of my 13 tags. So I used all of them. Now I'm going to rank for all of these keywords. Now, if you have materials, if your product is made of wood, steel, and so on, make sure to use all of these materials here. So write them, because you are going once again to rank for more keywords. Then you have the shipping profile. You can select your profile. So for example, if you have no profile, you are going to click on create new. If not, you are going to put your shipping profile that already exists. Here we have the returns. So as you can see, we have the 14-day return policy. Then you have the shop section, which is a collection of products. So always make the most of your shop sections. Use those collections in order to group your products, to make it easier for your customers to find products. As you can see right here, these are the sections. So you have anniversary gift, wall art, wedding gift, custom house portrait, then you have pet portrait. So for example, if someone is interested only in pet portrait, they can go and browse through these listings. Very important. Then you can opt to make this featured listing, so to be featured on your homepage. So make sure to select only the best selling products or the products that you want to push the most here. And then you have the renewal option, either to go with automatic or with manual. If you want this product to be on your store forever and to be renewed every time it sells automatically, make sure to have this automatic ticked. Now, products that renew automatically will actually sell more and faster on Etsy. So make sure to go with automatic in case you have an unlimited number of products to sell, just like this one. Once you are done, you are going to click on publish. So guys, that was the video. You now know how to add a new product to your Etsy store. Also a little bit about SEO. And if you want to learn more about that, how to grow on Etsy, how to increase your sales, your traffic, your revenue, make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel, and also check out our website, timeofbusiness.com, link in the description below. And I'm going to see you guys on the next video.